Begin by temporarily disabling memory integrity. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open it. Once Windows Security is open, navigate to the Device Security tab. On the list located on the left side of the screen, select Core Isolation. Here, you will find a switch to turn off memory integrity. Remember that you can re-enable this feature later. Next, we will perform a System File Checker scan. Search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the Administrator Command Prompt window, type the command sfc/scannow and press Enter to initiate the scan. This process will check for and attempt to repair corrupted system files. The final and most effective solution if the previous steps do not resolve the issue is to uninstall the problematic Windows update. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the Windows Update tab on the left-hand side. From there, select Advanced Options. Within Advanced Options, locate and select Update History. On the Update History page, find the option to uninstall updates and click on it. You will then see a list of installed updates. Select the most recent update that you suspect is causing the HWiNFO64's driver problem and click Uninstall. You will likely be prompted to confirm the uninstallation, so click Uninstall once again. This process may take some time to complete. Once the update has been successfully uninstalled, your HWiNFO64's driver should begin working correctly again, as the update was identified as the source of the problem. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.